welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am happy to participate in a collaboration that is being hosted by the DIY Mommy, and it is the Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. Now this is a challenge that she puts out seasonally to all of us creators, and what she asks us to do is either a DIY for spring or show us, or you guys, how we have decorated our homes for spring. So I thought I would show you how I decorate my dining room table for spring. Again, I don't decorate in your traditional Easter pastel colors. I love black, white, silver, and a little touch of bling. So that is what you're going to see on my Easter tablescape. It is a modern glam, modern glam Easter tablescape. So let me show you what I've put together. Alright guys, so here is my spring tablescape for Easter, and as you can see, it complements the colors in my home. As I said, I don't decorate in the traditional colors, but I decorate in the colors that I like and the style that fits my home. So I'm going to start off with the centerpieces. You guys know I love my florals, and I love doing DIYs and putting them together. Now you may have seen these centerpieces on my spring home tour, but you didn't see the table fully decorated, and that is what I am going to show you today. So the flower arrangements I did create myself. The little planter vases I picked up on clearance from TJ Maxx. They were $5. The Easter lilies I picked up from Amazon. I forget how much I pay for those, but I will leave a link in the description box below. The black tulips also came from Amazon. The little black eggs are eggs that I picked up from Goodwill. They were originally from the Dollar General for $1, and I just chalk painted them black to match my theme. The orchids I picked up from Michael's, and you have seen these many times in different flower arrangements, and I just keep revamping them. The place settings, you've seen something similar in my Springtime in Paris tablescape. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the iCards above. And this is something similar, but with more of a glamorous take. So we still have our black placemats, we still have our greenery, we still have our lucite silverware that I am so loving. That was the best find ever. But this time we are using silver charger plates. And these charger plates I picked up, I think also from Amazon. They're Gottinger. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for them because I've had them for several years. And then we have just our black plates from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, we used them. So they do have little scuffs and scrapes on them. And then this pretty silver plate I picked up from Home Goods a few months ago. You have seen my plates or my glasses before. These are from Pier 1. Love them, love how they look. And these eggs you saw in I think my spring home tour as well, and I picked these up from Marshall's, and they were, I believe, $6.99, and I think it really complements the table really well. I love the look. As I said, it matches my home perfectly, and it just gives me that glamorous vibe that I really like and enjoy. So I hope you guys like this tablescape as well, even though it is not your traditional colors or maybe even your actual style. As you can see back there, I have my Lysol ready because, as you know, we are in the middle of a pandemic and I am a germ freak, so I am constantly spraying Lysol I'm wiping things down with Clorox, and as soon as I'm done with this video, we will have a lemon drop martini, and that's what you also see in the background. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my spring Easter tablescape. I want to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this collaboration. It is so much fun to participate every season. I look forward to it, as I'm sure many of us creators do. I will leave a link to Christina's channel down in the description box below, as well as the playlist of all the participants. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not yet a part of my YouTube family, I hope you stick around and consider becoming a part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. So everyone, stay safe and stay blessed. We will get through this thing one day at a time, and hopefully it will be over sooner rather than later. So I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.